Wait.
Dang.
Wait.
That
Oh.
dang queen of sparkles.
Oh. It's actually so good. Oh.
I don't think you're supposed to do that in here.
I don't feed them.
I do.
You guys
She's a
are
bad
gonna
mom.
have to get.
I mean, you're not even halfway through. You're throwing.
Roll it up into a
Okay.
little snake.
You get a little snake. Okay,
I
so you
eat
get this.
eggs raw anyways.
Come over
You
here.
get it like this.
It's good.
And you get the other one like this. I'm trying to tell you what to do. He's making it a circle.
You said make it into a ball.
Okay, so roll it out now.
There's another.
They gotta
so-
be. This needs to be like a tube,
A tube.
cylindrical tube.
Mason.
What is he doing?
You're in my way.
I wanted to squish it. I
Mason.
just wanted to squish it.
Mason, come over here.
Stop
Come over
playing.
This
here.
one's, this one's
Mason.
squish it. This one will be mine. I'll eat this one.
Man, mine's really long.
It is really long. Oh my gosh. You might need to make two. You gotta make two out of that. Dang it.
I need you to do that.
I want to.
Lorena Bob it.
Okay, now make it a cane. Oh, I want to use that.
Press down.
Come on.
No.
No.
You just like do.
It's YouTube inappropriate.
I think you had to cut some of the part out earlier in the background. Shannon was.
You don't.
Oh, that's not funny.
A little funny.
Dude, his head's coming off.
That's
You're
good.
ruining baby Seymour.
You're ruining our family time.
Oh, well.
That was uncalled for.
Got him. I got him.
I'll have to fix his arm.
I got him.
What do you want?
Ricos.
I didn't do anything. I didn't do anything. I didn't do anything.
This is so blurry.
Tap on top. Joey.
Joe.
Hey.
What's up? Look at my creations.
Oh.
It's baby Seymour.
Hey, Dad.
Yo.
Hey, man.
I was just thinking.
Love.
Sure.
Christmas sucks. Make a cookie. Put that. No, Mason. No, it doesn't matter. Oh, yes, it does. That's this sharp side. No.
You said.
You have to do it strategic.
How different can it be if you just put it in?
Oh.
Oh,
Here,
Mason.
These sandwiches.
Yeah.
Oh, little man. The little man fell on the ground.
He's okay. He's okay. He's fine.
Somebody put an M on that one. I didn't think you actually do it.
But we're gonna cover it with icing, so no one will be able to read that. I made this icing really runny. Like a house.
Did you put the cookie?
House.
You can't do that on the back, right?
Yes, it will.
Did you see this guy?
Welcome home.
House.
Let me get a picture.
House. Okay.
All of it done.
I had to hurry up real fast to do it because mommy said, put it in the oven like 3 times. But this is my kitty. He says meow meow. These need 3. Actually, I don't know. Oh
This
no.
is like a this is like a Dragon Ball Z scene.
Dun 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 dun. That smells so good.
They get shipped in there.
Frog?
Flog.
Frog? Oh.
We have Ricos.
Hey, what are the cookies?
I know what I want
Yeah.
for Gricos.
Yeah, get a large thin crust barbecue chicken.
This I broke it. That doesn't look that. Why is this yellow so weird?
Drive in the dark?
Get her screaming and then turn her face red like Dina or something.
Very passive
Okay.
Goodness. In here, I'm being aggressive, not passive.
Oh, my bad.
No, it's stuck on the up of it.
Like
Show the kitchen. Aww.
Where's this?
Right here.
Oh. I thought there was one outside.
I love her. Why is this
You
not
love
rolling?
him? Is he your friend? Pet him.
That's a good kitty. Steak. What?
A raccoon.
Sorry. No. I made this icing really runny. I didn't mean to do it this runny.
My original
I want to try them.
Here, let's choreograph a fight scene.
Okay.
Punch like at the camera and I'm gonna shake it.
Wait. This way. Do it at this. Go. What are you doing?
Yeah, I can do that.
Yeah.
Eat pizza.
Need to practice.
Like $100 at Great Houses at Christmas.
Look, I made a cat type face. He has a tongue. Here's a tongue.
Tyson, I don't know if I can get the cold candy.
Kitten.
Reminds me of those videos on YouTube. 289. And that one's Mickey Mouse. You really do that. Oh, good. How do you do 98.3? Oh, this is A. Hell. How do you do F it? That's me. Pap got me some more Barbie ornaments. It's a ballerina. Come on. It does ballerina. Mom actually has this Barbie, like the real life one. Alright. Look how pretty she is. Aww. Last but not least. Okay, this is literally my birthday dress. I don't have hooks. Hopefully these don't fall out. Ballerina, put with the other ballerinas. Cool. More Barbies.